Our collaboration with Kinderpedia has been focused on growth from the start.
The onboarding was fantastic.
They help us implement the software, they help us understand it and use it at its full capacity.
We implemented Kinderpedia easily, both in school and in kindergarten.
The onboarding process was very smooth. We were able to transport all the old data in the form of a CSV file, which was imported onto the Kinderpedia software, so it was a seamless transition for the team.
Using Kinderpedia was very easy from the very beginning.
Kinderpedia was open to training all of our staff multiple times, so that was really useful.
Their support team provided onboarding materials and training sessions for our staff. Our teachers received initial training and support along the way.
So we had training for teachers, we had training for the middle and top management in using the platform.
During the onboarding process, we had a lot of training available, in addition to the micro video capsules which are available on the Kinderpedia app. So a combination of the online trainings and the capsules were there.
That made the implementation of Kinderpedia quite easy.
We had a very good experience with Kinderpedia team. They are here for us.
With Kinderpedia, anytime our school owner, anytime a teacher is having an issue, they contact the customer care and the problem is solved in a very fast and easy manner.
Whenever we need help, the technical team is one click away. Both the school team and the parents received answers right away to any request.
Kinderpedia has demonstrated a helpful, responsive and active approach.
I would like to stress upon the ongoing support. The chat feature, which is available for a parent, a teacher, administrator, is extremely helpful to get instant responses to concerns or queries which someone would have.
We received a lot of quick and clear support according to our needs and according to our understanding.
In a company that deals with technology, it's also the people that make the difference.
Whenever we faced difficulties, their team was quick to respond and they even updated the platform based on our feedback.
Their help desk has proven useful on numerous occasions, while support staff have ensured that our feedback is not only listened to, but acted upon.
They constantly ask for feedback and then they take into account the feedback that we are giving to them, and that's great.
This proactive collaboration has ensured that our needs as an educational facility are being met.
Cooperating with them is a give and take, and it's always a pleasure.